In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple Keyboard to monitor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Apple Keyboard can be connected in two main ways. So if you have this specific model of Apple Keyboard, the most common way to connect it is going to be over Bluetooth. Of course, you wouldn't directly connect it to a monitor unless for whatever reason it supports Bluetooth devices, but to do this, you go over to the Bluetooth settings on a specific device like a MacBook, Mac PC, go to the Bluetooth category under the system settings, and inside you can enable Bluetooth from here. Once Bluetooth has been enabled, then what you have to do is flick the switch to power it on, and it should immediately go into pairing mode. If it doesn't go into pairing mode, you can turn it on and off repeatedly a couple of times. It is going to appear under nearby devices here, and once you see it, it's as simple as choosing connect. Like I said before, you primarily will connect it to a PC, a laptop, or a mobile device, and not a monitor necessarily. But if you want to use a monitor and an Apple keyboard connected to a laptop or a MacBook, this is going to be the way to go. You can also use the USB port here alongside a cable. So the Apple keyboard should have a USB-C port at the top, and this can also be used to connect it to different devices. You just plug one end of a USB cable in here, and then the other end goes into any device of your choice. This can be a MacBook, it can be a tablet, it can be an iPhone, it doesn't matter. Just establish a connection using a cable, and this way it is going to remain active as long as the connection isn't broken. Choose between Bluetooth or the cable and you will be able to use your Apple keyboard. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.